Would you believe this funny little drawing can actually make you a better artist? It may look strange, but this simple exercise teaches one of the most important skills that every artist needs. Not how to draw, but how to see. If you've ever looked at one of your drawings and wondered why it doesn't look just quite right, today's lesson will completely change the way you draw. Contour drawing is simply drawing the outline and important edges of an object. There's no shading, no blending, no tiny details. You're simply following the contours of the object. It's one of the best exercises for beginners because it teaches observation. And observation is the foundation of every good drawing. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is drawing symbols. Our brains like shortcuts. Instead of drawing what we actually see, our brains say, I already know what a hand looks like. So we draw the symbol instead of the real hand. That's why I tell my students, draw what you see, not what you think you see. Whenever I teach contour drawing, I always begin with a blind contour exercise. That means I never look at my paper. I keep my eyes completely on my hand. My pencil follows wherever my eyes go. I'm drawing slowly. I'm trying to keep one continuous line. The drawing usually looks funny, and that's okay. Actually, that's the whole point. It removes the pressure to be perfect. Now let's try the same drawing again. This time, I'll allow myself to glance back at the paper. Notice how much more accurate it becomes. The observation skills you practice during the blind contour exercise are already helping. I've taught this exercise to hundreds of students over the years, and I see the same thing happen every time. The students begin to draw what they actually see. Their observation improves, their proportions improve, and their confidence grows. Even today, I still use contour drawing myself. Whenever I feel tight or overthink a drawing, I always come back to contour drawing. It helps me slow down, relax, and connect with what I'm actually seeing. Before we can paint a flower beautifully, we first need to understand its shape. Contour drawing teaches us to slow down, observe carefully, and truly see our subject. Here's a fun challenge for you. For the next 7 days, draw one simple contour drawing each day. Day 1, your hand. Day 2, a coffee mug. Day 3, a shoe or a boot. Day 4, keys. Day 5, a leaf. Day 6, a piece of fruit. Day 7, your hand holding a ball or an apple. Take your time. Don't erase. Just observe. If you remember only one thing from today's lesson, remember this. Draw exactly what you see, not what you think you see. That's the habit that will improve every drawing you make. If you enjoyed this lesson, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me, what object are you going to use for your very first contour drawing? Thanks so much for joining me today. Happy sketching. See you in the next lesson. If you love this lesson and you'd like to know more about drawing and about watercolor, join me in my Watercolor for the Soul community. The link is in my bio. Don't forget to like and subscribe